How much does hiring an ISA Certified Arborist really cost in Toronto in 2026? Most homeowners think it's a $3,500 premium. But the truth is, an uncertified crew might cost you $100,000 in denied insurance claims. Let's break down exactly what ISA certification means, how to verify it in 90 seconds, and why Toronto's top tree companies carry it. An ISA Certified Arborist has completed 3+ years of field experience, 300 hours of continuing education, and passed a proctored exam from the International Society of Arboriculture. That's not marketing speak. It's a peer-reviewed credential that expires every 3 years. Small tree removal in Toronto runs $300 to $700 with a certified crew. Large removals, $2,000 to $3,500. The credential cost, usually $200 to $400 extra per job. And it's the difference between an insurer accepting your claim and denying it completely. Here's the bylaw piece.